Hey guys, welcome to question MM278 of the Maths Methods Fortify study guide. Now this question tells us it is known that the derivative of 2x e to the power of x on a is equal to 2x over a plus 2 times e to the x on a. Awesome. Then the question says, or it asks us, the integral of 2x e to the power of x on a dx is equal to what? Alright, awesome. So we can plug this into our calculator, which will give us the answer. But let's just go through the hand working as well, just so that you can see what kind of how to do this, if this was a short answer question, for example. Awesome, so if we know that the derivative of this is equal to this, that means that the antiderivative of this is equal to this, okay? So that's where we're going to start with this. So we're going to say that the antiderivative of 2x over a plus 2 e to the x on a dx is equal to 2x e to the x on a, right? We're basically just going opposite here. So the derivative of this is this, so the antiderivative of this is this. From here, we're going to actually just expand all this out. So we end up getting 2x e to the x on a over a plus 2e to the x over a dx equals 2x e to the x on a. Awesome. Now from here, we're actually going to split up these two integrals. So we get 2x e to the x on a over a dx plus integral of 2e x on a dx equals 2x e to the x on a. Now I know this is a lot of kind of stuff going on, but just see if you can follow along. If you can't, just chuck it in the comments below and I'll answer any questions you've got. So for this one, we're actually going to take out a common factor of 1 on a, a constant of 1 on a. So we get 1 over a times 2x e to the x on a. Because what we're looking for is the integral of 2x e to the x on a, right? We're looking for this integral, so we want to get it by itself. And then we can say that that is equal to 2x e to the x on a minus the integral of this. So we'll just move that to the other side. 2e to the x on a dx. Awesome. Now from here, we can say that we're going to take out 2 as a common factor. So we get 2x e to the x on a minus the not square root, integral of e to the x on a dx. And then that is equal to 1 on a integral, 2x e to the x on a dx. Awesome. Now we're almost at our answer because we want to get this by itself, and all that's in the way of that at the moment is this 1 on a. So what we're going to do is times both sides by a. So we get 2x e to the x on a dx is equal to 2a outside of x e to the x on a minus the integral of e to the x on a dx. And that's it, right? Because this is exactly what we were looking for. We were looking for the integral of 2x e to the x on a, and we found that as this value here. And now we just need to look through our answers and see which one is correct, and we can see that C is our correct answer because it corresponds exactly to this, which means that's our final answer. So if you have any questions about this is integration by recognition. If you have any questions about it, just let me know and I'll answer them. But otherwise, thanks for watching. Have an awesome day and I'll see you in the next video.